Hey guys, what's up YouTube? Welcome to my channel, and in this video I am going to talk about the Bluetooth speaker. Actually what happened, like recently my uncle bought a new TV, so for that he wants to have a new Bluetooth speaker. So he might be looking into the uh, Google Home Mini Bluetooth speaker. So we want to test it first, like is it useful to use as a TV external speaker. So I'm taking this Google Mini speaker to test it out first, and we might buy a bigger version of the same speaker. So whatever happen, I will show it to you. So hope it work out well. So that's all guys, I wanted to share it first with you. So we might buy a new Bluetooth speaker, might be from the Google or might be from the other company, I don't know currently, but we are looking into the Bluetooth speaker. So this is LG SK1 sound bar. So we might looking into this one. This look fine. There is another option of this one, but this one looks better to me. So let's see. It's a 40-watt LG sound bar. So we might be buying this one. Okay, let's check, call cashier and see we can have this one. So it has optical in and I think audio in. This is audio in and optical in, and I think Bluetooth connection also it has. Now we're going to connect with the TV, with this TV. Installing temporarily for now. So we just have power here, so we are giving power by this port. So we just temporarily installed for now, and we might put it on this wall later once it work properly. We just install on this wall. So actually we install because this TV don't has too much of sound, so that's why. Okay, so it's just started. Now we just need to connect with the Bluetooth. Let me search in the TV on this one. Yeah, just open that. So we already have the 2 batteries that comes with it. Oh, it's working. Now I think we just need to search in the TV for external output, audio output. Yeah, so sound output. Okay, and we need to go to the Bluetooth speaker list. So LG is showing up already, so let me just select that LG speaker. pair and connect. Okay, so it's connected already. So we just need to increase the sound from this remote.
Say something to Polly.
George is a little bit shy.
Okay.
Hello.
This is how it's. Let me decrease the volume because it's too much. Oh, what happened? Okay.
George, say something.
So it's sound good. It's not crazy loud, so it's good. We need the speaker like this. We don't need too much of loud speaker. So this is a good for us. Okay, so now we just going to install on the wall and mount it over there properly. So that's all, guys, I wanted to show you. Hope you get an idea about this speaker. So hope you guys like this video. Bye, take care, thank you.